Restoration Station. Press the pause button if you need more time during the activity. Plant roots hold sediment. Activity instructions. Hold the dustpan labeled Bare Ground Erodes against the slope where there are no plants. Pour water with the watering can a few inches above the dustpan on the bare slope. Notice how much sediment is in the dustpan. Hold the dustpan labeled Plants Hold Soil against the grass plants. Pour water over the grass. You might want to pause the recording at this point. Answer this question, then go on to another activity station. Some human activities speed up the process of erosion. Those activities include moving soil around, removing plants, and starting fires. Why is it important to restore this part of the watershed by planting native plants? Native plants look nice, so people like to visit natural areas more often. Native plants provide food and shelter for animals. Native plant roots hold the soil in place to prevent erosion from happening that might cause flooding or mudslides to damage our homes. Native plants live on rainwater and shade the habitat, so water does not evaporate as fast. All of the above. Press the Submit button when you finish answering the question. Then go to another station.